Hello everybody, this is the Panda Photographer. We are shooting this in 4K 60 frames a second on ProMovie app using the iPhone X in 2021. This iPhone should give you some reference between the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12's quality. Now we are overcast skies today, so please do, please do subscribe, like, and share the content if you like to see more test samples using ProMovie app on your iPhone. If you guys want to support the channel financially, there is a PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. It really does address the COVID and the economic situation that I'm having. But as you can see, I'm handling this shot. I'm trying to pan as smooth as possible. Even as you can see, it's really nice. Now, keep in mind, shutter speed is at 175. It's a little bit overexposed. Normally, I like to overexpose by 0.7 stops. So when I do add this in post, it'll look a bit cleaner. Depends on the situation. But with that said, everyone, this is a 4K 60 frame sample. YouTube is going to compress this. I'm going to upload it straight through the YouTube app. So keep in mind. With that said, it's going to be converted into 1080p 60 frames, which is called downsampling, which is not bad at all. It actually cleans up a lot of noise, even though we're shooting at ISO 20 on the iPhone X. Ridiculous. But with that said, everyone, white balance is at 5400. You guys take it easy. Eat, sleep, photography, videography, repeat. See you guys in the next video.